Well, about 6 years ago, we needed to have our roof reshingled, and a good friend of mine had Sharp Exteriors do her work, recommended you guys, and we got you to do the roof, soffit and eaves, and we were really happy then. It was great. So when we needed new doors, windows, and siding, called you back. We are so satisfied with Sharp Exteriors service. We tell everybody in the neighborhood or anyone we know that needs to have work done about Sharp. When you have that much work done around your house and have people in your house and out of your house all the time, it's really important to have people who are qualified and are really very friendly. Our experience with Sharp Exteriors was absolutely amazing. They were very professional, but also very friendly. Everybody who came in knew exactly what they were doing, to the point that they were perfectionists, which we really appreciated.